Meet Dave. The roof on Dave's house is showing signs of disrepair. Recently, Dave has started to see damp patches on his ceilings and walls. He's ignored the issue for a while, but he knows it needs professional attention because, after all, his home is a major investment and it's literally the roof over his family's head. Dave knows he can't trust his roof to just anybody, so he's decided to call the most experienced local roofing contractor he can find. He knows because of their great reputation that he'll get the quality service and reliable, long-lasting repairs that his roof needs. With his new leak-free roof, Dave and his family will now be protected from anything Mother Nature throws their way. If your roof is in need of some minor repairs, preventative maintenance, or even a major overhaul, give us a call today.